Woo! All right, we're back. We're back, baby. It feels so good to be working on the car again. I have been extremely busy in my personal life. If you follow me on Instagram, you know why. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you'll find out in the next video because I'm also going to be introducing a new car to the channel. It's a car that I've had for a long time, but we're gonna start modifying it and documenting the process. Yeah, I'm just happy to be working on my car again. Before this video goes any further, I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna announce the winner of the Spoon rear view mirror. Good luck to everyone. Looks like John Knight. John Knight, you are the winner. But congratulations, man. Woo! You win the Spoon rear view mirror. Congrats. Thank you so much for the support. To all the new subscribers, thank you as well. It means the world to me. I'm just trying to have fun and document these things that I was gonna do anyways. Okay, so let's get into the installs for today. One, we're going to be installing the Honda Access Floormats. Many people on YouTube have already covered this, so I'm not gonna go too in depth. And then part two is I'm gonna go over what I personally think is the most underrated interior modification for a Honda S2000. Let's start with that. Okay, so these are the Honda Access Floormats, the OEM option from Europe. It should spruce up the interior nicely, but in order to install them and do it properly, I think you have to remove your OEM seats. And on first glance, this might look like a regular OEM Honda S2000 seat, but keep in mind, this is an 04. There should be a little cutout here for your helmet, and it's not there because this is actually a Clazzio seat cover. So my original interior is a black leather car, and I always wanted the red seats, so I did some research and I came across Clazzio. And I think on first glance, you really can't tell that it's not the OEM seat by itself. It being a cover, I think, helps protect your OEM seats because, you know, these cars could be worth something pretty serious in maybe 10 years. And also, I got the benefit of having a red interior. So I do think this is a super underrated modification. They're only like $300 to $400, and you can make your interior look like basically any color. I ended up buying this car because it was a great deal that I bought on Bring a Trailer, by the way. So that's for another video. But I always wanted the red seats, and I was able to achieve them with the Clazzio seat covers. And in my opinion, they look absolutely fantastic. There's a little bolster protector in here, so it's like a plastic piece that you put over your OEM bolster. But yeah, I think they look great. Okay, now on to the floor mat install. The only reason I pulled the seat out is so I can get a good vacuuming throughout the whole cabin. Just wanted to make sure everything was nice and clean. You don't have to remove the seat if you don't want to. If you do want to remove your seats, you're going to use a 12mm in the front, and you're going to use a 14mm in the rear. You're going to remove those 4 bolts, and as you pull the seat out, be very careful because you don't want the seat rails to scratch any interior parts. Quick vacuum on the driver's side, and then we are ready for the install. We're gonna make a slit right over here. We're gonna make our slit right over here. And it's pretty easy on the driver's side because this little nub right here will tell you exactly where to make the slit on the bump in the middle. Okay, so on the driver's side, that's a slit that we made. That's a slit on the other side. I probably could have been a little cleaner about it, but honestly, I don't think it really matters that much. This whole thing's gonna get covered up anyways. So we're gonna replace this existing bracket with the bracket that comes in the kit. This is your original bracket. It's shorter than the new one, and this is the new one. So it definitely grips the little tunnel a little better, and it has a few more mounting points for the floor mats. Get your new brackets in place, and then you can begin assembling the floor mats. The rear section of the floor mat connects to the back of the brackets through the buttons, and the front section just falls into place on top of those nubs, similar to the way your OEM floor mats were like. The passenger side is similar, the only difference being where you mount the brackets. It's pretty easy to figure out. Follow the instructions that come with the kit, or you can just run your finger along the carpet to figure out the spot where the bracket mount is.
let's go.
Again, be very careful when reinstalling your seat. It probably would have been a lot easier if I had some help to remove the hardtop, but since I didn't, I think what helps the most is to take the top of the seat, feed it through over the center console, and then you could plop the bottom of the seat into place. Again, be very careful. You don't want to scratch any interior parts. Okay, there she is in all her modified glory. Got the MF10s, the Olins, and I've been having these, the Clazzio seat covers. So let me know what you guys think. I think this is pretty underrated. You don't really hear a lot of people talking about these seat covers. And lastly, the Honda Access Floormats. I mean, they look amazing. They look so new that it almost makes the carpet look a little whack. But, you know, I'm in love with them. I chose black because I like the subtleness of it. And I like the seats to pop on their own as opposed to like a full red interior. I think I am going to change this to a silver shift knob pretty soon. But other than that, I'm in love with the car. I fall in love with it more and more every single time I do anything to it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the red seats and of course the floor mats. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I really like the floor mats. You know, it's hard not to like brand new floor mats, but they're great. You know, it's a perfect OEM plus addition to the car. I want to give a special shout out to all the people who have reached out to me on Instagram, who've DM'd me asking questions about the installs that I've been doing. I'm super happy to share information. So if you guys have questions about this install or previous installs, you know, let me know. It's pretty fun to be able to share that with you guys. I think you guys will all be excited about the new car added to the channel. You know, it's not really a new car. It's a car we've had for a while, but I haven't modified it. And as an S2000 owner, I think you can appreciate it. It is, in my opinion, the best like tuner daily driver. So yeah, I'm excited to share that with you guys. So until then, take care. Peace out. Later.